WCBI First Alert Accuweather forecast with Chief Meteorologist Keith Gibson.
We are going to begin tonight with a tropical weather update. It has been busy. We've had all of these names populate so far. Renee and Paulette most recently. Sally next up on the docket. We may get that system later tonight or tomorrow because of this feature right here, a tropical depression formed in the Bahamas earlier this afternoon. Maximum winds at 35 miles per hour, so a minimal type system, but it's expected to strengthen into a tropical storm. Again, that could be called Sally this weekend and approach the northern Gulf Coast early in the upcoming work week. Now, where's this thing going to go? It may get into Florida. It may drift along the coast as we go throughout the next couple of days into early to the middle part of next week, but it's going to be a prolific rainfall producer. We're thinking anywhere from 4 to 15 inches of rain or more closer to the coast along the immediate coastline. Up here over the next 7 days, several inches of rain not out of the question, 2 to 4 inches or more, depending on how things set up. So that is a near-term problem for us. We have Paulette out here across the open Atlantic, and then there's Renee. Now, Paulette, that could actually strengthen into a hurricane and affect Bermuda as we get into the early part of next week. And there's two other features out here off Africa. Those two could actually form. So we have 5 systems we are potentially watching right now in the tropical Atlantic. It's very busy. Now, we've had some scattered rain and storms in our region today. That was the view looking east of Eupora this afternoon, and we've had some downpours out there. Some spots getting a ½ inch to an inch or more. Other spots not even seeing a drop today, the nature of the beast. Most of our rain has really come to an end across the region, but there's still other batches in Alabama that most likely will weaken before it can get here. But we'll have this residual cloud cover to deal with as we go throughout the rest of tonight. So variably cloudy, pretty quiet, very muggy out there. Temperatures still in the upper 70s. Lows will be down into the mid to low 70s. And here's our first alert forecast. Our helper tonight, we got Pepper. We love Pepper. Get ready for another warm day tomorrow. Upper 80s to low 90s. Pretty quiet to start, but there will be some of those scattered showers and storms as we get into the afternoon hours. So we keep mentioning, have the umbrella on standby, a plan B in case one of those showers or storms or clusters of storms happens to find your area tomorrow across North Mississippi and West Alabama. So that's the way it's looking with our city-by-city forecast. And tomorrow morning when we wake up, some of that cloud cover, a mix of clouds and sunshine, but overall quiet. By midday, we'll start to see some of those showers and storms start to bubble on up across the region. Some of that will carry over into the afternoon and evening. We'll likely have more in the region as we get into our Sunday afternoon and evening as well. And any one of those could produce some lightning, some heavy downpours, and some refreshing breezes. Here's your AccuWeather 70 forecast. A 60% chance of rain tomorrow and Sunday. That's with a little bit of a frontal boundary coming on in and all this moisture around. But next week, we will just hedge the bet and put a chance of rain each and every day as we watch that tropical depression in the Gulf of Mexico. But it will be a little bit cooler with highs mainly in the mid to upper 80s.